So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run this scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to come up here next to computer. You want to put a backslash and then type in hkey classes root. Here it is. Now you want to put another backslash and then do directory, backslash again, background, backslash again, shell x, backslash again, context menu handlers. If it appears right here, you could just use the down arrow key on your keyboard. And then click on enter. So again, this is the whole path right here, you could just follow it right here. And then once you're on this, we're just going to scroll down on the left hand side. Make sure you have context menu handlers expanded. You want to expand this. You should then be seeing some folders right here. So if you have a folder called IGFX-CUI, IGFX-DTCM, or NVCP or desktop context, you want to delete them. In my case, I've got all these 3 folders right here. It's going to be on screen right now so you can see as well. So I'm just going to delete these 3 folders. And then once you've done that, for the last step, we're just going to restart the computer, and then the problem should be fixed.